Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting with the file. Open Photos and select the scanned image or PDF page you want to fix. Tap Edit, then the markup icon to reveal selection, pen, and eraser tools. If your device runs iOS 16 or newer, Live Text can select Recognize Text automatically. Use it first to isolate text. If not, don't worry. Proceed with markup selection and eraser. Make sure the image is zoomed so you can work precisely, because this first pass sets the cleanup quality. Once done selecting, use Live Text's Delete or Replace option to remove plain text quickly. This preserves the background more cleanly. If Live Text doesn't work, manually lasso the text area and use the eraser brush. Work in short strokes. For messy backgrounds, add a filled shape matching nearby tones, then adjust opacity and blend, or clone by sampling adjacent pixels with the pen tool. Move slowly and toggle zoom frequently to keep edges neat and natural looking. Finish by toggling before and after. Use undo or revert to backtrack if the edits look unnatural. When satisfied, save a duplicate so you keep the original scan intact, then export as PDF or high-quality JPG. If you see artifacts, make smaller layered edits or switch to a retouch app with cloning tools. These handle texture better. One key tip: if auto tools fail, zoom in and work with tiny strokes. Patience produces the cleanest result.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.